Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to find Binance ID step by step. Open the Binance app or website and sign in with your credentials, then tap the profile icon at the top right. From there, choose Account or Settings, scroll to find User ID or Binance ID, and copy it carefully. If you use multiple accounts, repeat the process for each one and double-check digits before sharing. In this video, I will show how to find Binance ID step by step. Start by opening the Binance mobile app and logging in securely. Tap your profile avatar in the top corner and choose Account or Settings to access account details. Scroll until you see User ID or Binance ID, then use the copy icon or long press to save it to your clipboard. Store the ID in a secure note if you need to reference it later. In this video, I will show how to find Binance ID step by step. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum delivers voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on trades while it handles the floor. It's a handy pick for busy crypto users who appreciate automated help at home. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to find Binance ID step by step. On the desktop site, sign in, then click the profile icon at the top right to open the dashboard or account center. Look for a field labeled User ID or Binance ID with an account information or profile details. Highlight and copy the ID number for use in support tickets or transfers, and confirm the digits before sending it to anyone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.